All right, let's look at question 44. We are asked to find the value of x, what x is in that above, in the diagram above. So we know that line SR is parallel to line UW, and since our x is corresponding to 45 degrees, so that's the F angle. Our x is 45 degrees, corresponding angles are equal, so that's option C. Now we asked to find y. This x here is an exterior to this triangle here that you have here. So our x and the exterior angle is the sum of opposite interior angles, so it is equals to y plus 20. So we already found that our x is 45 degrees, so 45 degrees is equals to y plus 20. So our y, bring your 20 to the other side, that's 45 minus 20, so our y is equals to 25 degrees, which is option